die Zip Zap Sirkusskool sal 'n glimlag op enige toeskouer se gesig laat. En volgende week is dit inwoners van Parys, Frankryk se beurt om die vreugdevolle vertoning en talent te aanskou. Die burger is genooi vir 'n voorskou voor die toergroep van 9 akrobate Saterdag vertrek.
Well, we're getting ready to go to Paris for our 4th tour to Paris to be a part of the biggest circus competition in the world. It's called Cirque du Demain, which means Circus of Tomorrow, where all the best acts in the world come together and compete over 5 days. We have been invited to do the curtain raiser, which is usually a circus school from Europe gets invited to do a short piece that opens every performance, and we're the first circus school outside of Europe to be invited, and so we're off to do the curtain raiser in Paris.
Vir sommiges sal dit al eerste reis na die buiteland wees en boonop wêrelde verwyder van hul lewens voor Zip Zap.
I was staying on the street, but so I moved in the shelter. So they asked me in the shelter, like, I do want to join Zip Zap. I asked them what is Zip Zap. They told me it's like a circus. So I asked them if can I see first how it looks like. Then they say yeah, it's fine. Then I came here. Then I see people doing stuff that I never saw before. Then I just say, I will try. Maybe I can make it. I don't know. I would like to perform like overseas, like different places, not only the same place. And I would like to travel, see like almost the whole world, like carry on with my dream.
It feels brilliant. I feel happy about that. Okay, I used to dream about circus, so traveling around. So that's actually part of my dream. And yeah, yes, my first dream is coming through to go to Paris. Okay, I've watched many movies of Paris, see the places, so yeah, I want to see some more.
José en Kagiso, 2 van die sirkus se helderste sterre, is van tevore by dieselfde glansryke kompetisie bekroon. Maar, sê hulle, daar steeds redes om opgewonde te wees oor die spesifieke reis.
I think it's a huge honor, not just for us, but for our circus school as well, to be invited to this event. It's like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to go there. We're fortunate enough to go there for our second time. We're really looking forward to it. It's like our second home overseas. So it's going to be nice to show our brothers and sisters how it is overseas and to be with them.
It's actually it's a big stage. It's 5,000 people. And I always get excited performing on the stage because the audience always respond well and it's always full.
There's a very negative perception from people overseas about South Africa. All they hear about is the crime and the bad things. And we're going to show them what South Africa is really about. It's about youth working together, different races, different cultures, and having fun on stage. I think that's the most important thing. A lot of the circus schools have a very high technical level. They teach a lot of technique, but they don't really teach how to have fun in the ring and ethics, which we bring. We bring a crazy South African flavor to the stage.